Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Caught by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
It's actually a male here, stepping out, hands shown. Let's see what he does. He's got to lift those hands up, put those hands high, and turn around.
Today's episode is all about police arrests. You'll see many dramatic and intense police chases where suspects are eventually caught by police. For example, first video shows 15-year-old female teen suspect goes on wild police chase. And believe it or not, 18 police vehicles were involved in this pursuit.
We're going to widen out here. LA County Sheriff's Deputy. This is a really intense part. The officers, the sheriff's deputies are telling him clearly to put his or her hands outside, and we will see if it's just the one suspect in here. Tinted windows, dangerous situation. This is where the door, guns drawn, Imperial Highway shut down. It does look like it's actually a male here, stepping out, hands shown. Let's see what he does. He's got to lift those hands up, put those hands high, and turn around. That's what they're telling him right now. They do not want him to face the officer. They're going to tell him to walk backwards towards the officer. They're giving clear instructions here. These guys are trained. And this is a good point to watch this, Lise, that when we see what we've seen with police incidents across the country, this is how the LA County Sheriff's deputies do it. They give clear instructions here. If the suspect abides, which he is, he's down on his knees here. It looks like they're very well could be. Again, very tinted, dark tinted windows. So they're going to check the trunk. They're going to go around to the passenger side. Yeah, and it looks like a female officer. So that is, is that a female, Lise? Can you tell? We'll push in. I know he or she has a ponytail, and I did see a female officer pat the suspect down. And typically, what happens is a female officer will do that if it is a female suspect. Let's widen out and make sure we clear the car, Pat. We'll widen out. Car is clear. Code 4. Yep, it's a female, and that's why two female deputies checked to make sure that this individual, this woman, was not carrying any type of weapon. Wow, what a pursuit that was. I just hope, because we got on this about halfway through the pursuit, but you saw the damage to the car. You saw how erratic this driver was, this woman was driving. No, it was quite wild, especially through that park, through the Irwin Magic Johnson County Park there, up on the trails, the path. Thankfully, there was not a lot of foot traffic. A lot of people like to walk around the lake there, but it was pretty much empty on this Thursday morning, and again, Thursday afternoon, I should say. And again, we did not see anybody. We saw a lot of close calls. You saw those pedestrians get very close to being struck by this female driver. Again, we don't know specifically why she was lit up. All we heard was failure to yield. So maybe she was just driving erratically initially. They lit her up. She didn't pull over, and the pursuit was on. Just her inside the car. We're right on the border of Linwood and South Los Angeles here on Imperial Highway, just north of the 105 freeway.
A police chase that saw the driver of a stolen car crash into 13 vehicles has been caught on camera.
This was caught on CCTV, including this, the driver reversing over a motorbike. Later footage showed the driver on the same road hitting a truck before trying to escape the rush hour traffic a second time, only to crash the car again. According to police, the driver was eventually arrested and charged with endangering public safety.
And this is the fastest police pursuit I've ever seen. Heart-stopping footage shows Mercedes driver undertaking cars and lorries along hard shoulder during 140 miles per hour motorway police chase.
Lane 2, it is failing to stop, it will be very aware of my presence. M40. There's subjects now hard shoulder. Yeah, obviously. X-ray Romeo Bravo 204, speed is 145. Confirm he is on the island. About a moment away. Making his way towards the actual main carriageway. If we can have units.
And this must be one of the fastest police pursuits you've ever seen. Watch a terrifying 130 miles per hour car chase as police chase a drink driver across 3 countries.
ATS, braking. We are left through red ATS. It was a medium back down to low. We are building up speed. We're left. I'm just going to get you a location. We're Oxford Road, which is towards 413, the Chalfontaine Amersham. Stand by, it's resip, cross the verge. Come on, girl. Yeah, we're going round in circles, he's trying to lose me now. Tank Mike 40, I believe.
Priority in front of me. Boxer Road, confirming Boxer Road.
That's 16. That's 6 your location.
Boxer Road, to stop at the minute. Junction Bell Crescent.
And with this clip we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.